Okay, we are here to do a night demo provided by Garden Light. This is the house that we're going to light up today to do a night demo for one of our customers. So I'm gonna guide you to go step by step using our Showtime Closer, how to install everything, a night demo in less than 20 minutes, 15 minutes. So here we go. That you can install and connect the fixtures in no time. So the wire is attached to the transformer, and obviously you're gonna see right here the fixtures that we use, which they're flat and they're very easy to install, because the only thing that you need to do is just put it on the ground, okay, and it will have the same effect as a spotlight. If for some reason you have to let them know, the customer, that they don't want a light over there, you can always flip it down and the light will be blocked. But in this case, we're trying to light up these trees. And as you see the wire, this is 125 feet of wire that is going all the way to the front of the house. The transformer is right there. This is the demo case. As you see, we did the preparation. We installed the fixtures ready to go. I'm just showing the house with no light. So this is the home, same home with Showtime Closer. We set up this in 25 minutes. Obviously, this property will need more fixtures, but this is what the landscape will look like.